G'day mate, it's Chriso. I'm a professional tiler, I have been for 35 years. I just turn the camera around. I'm stripping out this laundry now. You know, when you see that you go, oh boy, you know, ooh. Whether the tub was leaking or what, I don't know, but it's hard to say. The tap, but you know, I can't feel any water, or whether it was coming through from the bath, because it wasn't waterproof next door in the bathroom. Which I'll finish that now. Yeah, that's already finished bathroom, and I'm now stripping out this. So yeah, I'll be sealing it all. I'm going VJ board up here with a tile skirt, tiled 1500. It's going to be Subway tiles, and that patterned tile on the floor. Anyway, I waterproof it all. First of all, I primer it like I always do. Primer and sealer on the walls and floor first, and then I waterproof it. So I'll just put on some ear muffs and we'll get started with the floor. What I've done here, it's quicker to just cut your, because there is a tile skirt, but it's they weren't coming off that well and it was damaging the gibrock, so it's quicker just to cut through and resheet it. I'll be waterproofing up to that height. I'll be going up higher on that wall, of course, because the taps, but I only need to come up to this height with the actual waterproof. But it's quicker just to cut through with a handsaw, an old one, tear it off, replace it, whooshka, you're home and hose. Okay people, I'll carry on taking these up. So they're all going to come up pretty easy. I've got to patch that hole, of course, and we'll be moving on. I'll come back to you shortly as I progress, and I can show you more. Give us a thumbs up if you would. Push the subscribe button, push the bell. See you later. Bye.